turbo monster there. Pull that up there.
All right, there you go. Just duct tape it on.
Well, we did with the Beamer.
And it worked.
So move it over because my side's on.
You can get any of those fed in there. Bosley, you hold that. Or Dylan, hold this something up here.
This?
Yes.
Some of them are a little angled.
Got it now? Wow.
Trying to line it off.
Watch out. Oh, not you, Dylan. Sorry, I was talking over Ryan.
Aw, Dylan. Buy the cheap, expensive stuff. Alright, so this turned into a review video for Duraflex. No.
Once this goes on, it's not gonna go.
Not gonna come back off. Okay.
Hold it to the...
Try to see how many thread ends, not straight, not far, just in. Oh, Ryan, look at this one.
Yeah, that one ain't... We just ain't putting one in.
Yeah, that one's a... Well, this one, yeah, that one ain't going, yeah, no.
As long as it goes into something, kind of screw a little bit.
I got you. Yeah, no, that one ain't happening.
Why are they so off?
Because it's Duraflex.
Oh,
Alright, grab the ratchet, tighten them down.
that's all the ones you're gonna put in there?
That's all we can fit.
Okay.
There's two more. I think those will actually feed in. That won't feed in good as the sole of this one. When I mean good, I mean better. But still not amazing. So if this flies off coming down the highway, nobody knew, but Duraflex went alright. Go for that.
If it comes off going down the highway, you just keep driving.
Have your wing, don't worry about it.
I didn't have a wing. I don't know what you're talking about.
It's a wing. That's not a wing.
Oh. What do you call the color of this car? I mean, like, what's
Vitamin C orange.
it? Nuh-uh.
Yeah.
Really?
It's called Vitamin C orange.
Vitamin C orange.
You're up.
Dang it! You can't say that on YouTube.
My bad.
Censorship, Dylan.
Shut the door. Watch it. I had to shut the door because it wouldn't let me unlock it. Now it's gonna, guess what? It's gonna lock it, then it's gonna unlock it so I can unlock the third door.
Wow. What a piece.
Hyundai. Alright, you think this piece is gonna go back on too? I think it will.
When you get some longer ones, right? You just have to take this back off. You know now it'll go on, so you're just gonna have to freaking deal with it. Take it off, put the light on, put them all back on.
So what you're saying is the wing didn't even come with the
Bolts?
bolts?
No.
How much you pay for this wing again?
280 bucks.
To what?
280 bucks.
Huh. Oh, goodness.
Yeah. Less than what I paid for mine.
Good.
Downside is yours is universal, so like yours is probably, you know, you could probably find yours for $80.
I did have to drill into my, can't find mine for $80. Mine's 7 to 10 inches tall, adjustable, 72 inches wide, full carbon fiber.
You get it. You get it. Try and just, yeah, that one.
But I did have to drill into my trunk.
Yeah. Hayden was like, I guarantee I can make one more. I was like,
This is some weak stuff, so I'm not putting a lot of torque on these, and I'm holding real close up tight so that I don't over torque them.
yeah.
And blow those helicoils out. So when you do it, when you put it back on after the lights, because that's on you, don't over torque them, because you'll blow those helicoils out of that fiberglass.
Ooh, you can see where the old wing sat. Dark grime on it.
Oh my gosh. Shame.
You have to wash that up.
Yeah. Yes, if they're on torqued. I think it'll hold.
Guess we can go ahead and give you a shout out.
Yay.
Need the screws in. Let's go under those.
No.
Oh, I see. That's just for sliding the pops in. And it's just missing the pop, isn't it?
Woo!
Huge wing. I like it though. How do you feel about it, Ryan?
I like the way it looks. A little flimsy.
What was the name of the company?
Duraflex.
I mean, shouldn't it be a little flimsy then? Flex. Ha ha.
This is gonna take one hit.
It will. You're gonna take one pop off this
Where
thing.
is that
it's gonna
brake
be-
light supposed to fit then?
Right here, buddy. See, it squeezes those two levers in there, so it will fit. It's on! Hyundai! Give us a start up. So you can let your engine warm up before you go to work. What time is it? Really?
It's later than that.
It's what?
I think it's later than that. You might want to check.
Same price. Full carbon fiber. In place. Universal. And adjustable. So I could actually raise this up a little more, but I set it like this for the angle. So it'd have a pretty aggressive angle. And it's the same price. Now I will warn you of this. If you only have a single layer trunk, it will be a little flimsy on the trunk. And also because of that, you have to put a lot of spacers on the hardware, but it sends you with all the hardware. So,
This didn't.
no, it didn't.
Dang
It's
it.
the same price and bigger.
So Amazon review versus Duraflex.
Hang on, you've got to come over here.
Amazon is eBay. This one came with all the hardware. But again, you got single layer. You're gonna have to find a bunch of washers to use the spacers. And it's gonna be a little flimsy. Now I'm pulling on that pretty hard to get it to do that. The most you're gonna see driving is 100 mile an hour and over. It's gonna vibrate a little.
So choose your wings wisely. On my end, I usually go for boneless Asian zing at Buffalo Wild Wings, but it's whatever you prefer. Just make a good
Honey
choice.
Barbecue's better. eBay is all right. Duraflex, terrible. But
Awful.
give you this. Welcome to the Big Wayne gang.
Thank you. Feel very welcome.
Let me hear your